Alright.
Well, this is our bus, and this is our camper. We call this one the Queen Bee, and this is called Buzz. So, you want to go on in? Or come on in? I'll show you around. This is home. Got queen size bed, propane stove, sink, bunch of storage, fridge, water, toilet, little ones.
I like to use the suitcases as keep stuff in place. And
we had baskets. It's just we had too many baskets, too much stuff. So the suitcases are a lot bigger, and they're vintage, and they hold a lot.
You've got solar, right?
Yeah.
How much solar do you have?
Only got 200 watts solar right now.
All right.
But I mean, other than that, we got a 2,000 watt generator. Can run everything. It's got an AC, but we eventually want to get rid of it and get a mini split for it.
Sure.
But you know, we got a fishing pole.
That's the way a lot of people are going.
Yeah. I mean, this thing works. It's just the guy that put it in, it leaks. They didn't seal it up properly.
Right.
So if it rains, it's good, but if it pours, it'll drip and get the bed wet. But we got, you know, a cover over it so it's waterproof. So it don't destroy the mattress.
Sure.
But
a little hard to sleep when all of a sudden it starts dripping on your feet or something.
Yeah. She had that about a month ago. It was dripping on her back.
Uh-huh.
I was like, yeah, good for you.
Oh, I had a leak. It was running down the bed in the wall. Got a little wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wake up and why is my hand wet? Oh yeah. That was early on. I fixed that real quick. But
everybody loves the door because it's privacy. You don't, you're on that side of the bus. You can't really see in.
Sure. Lets the air through, but keeps it private.
Yep.
Yep.
And you got that shelf up there with all kinds of knickknacks.
Yeah, I always like the live edge.
Well, that live edge was actually here. But then we couldn't find nothing to go on the outside of the live edge to make like a rail.
Right.
So everything would stay. So we decided to put it over there instead. Fits perfect.
Yep. So what have you got in the trailer?
In the trailer, we built that for comfort and storage. There's all kinds of storage in there. We got 2 twin beds in the front.
So it's the guest room, sorta.
It was home before we did this one.
Right.
And we got done that one last year, and then in October we hit the road. Went traveling, went south, stayed with Michelle and Travis when they had that horse farm. Went to the first Tiny Home Festival in November, and then December we.
Yeah, there's a family I've heard of that they have a small bus set up. They got a bunch of kids, and they haul a trailer. They had a big bus, but then they downsized to the little bus and the trailer, and it works.
Yeah.
So
keep the kids out.
Yeah. Well, I think that's it. Yeah. I've yet to run across them to do a tour, but
yeah. I mean, in there, it's you look in. Once you go in the doors, you got this type of storage, like a U. Above the beds. And if you want to go in, we can go.
Sure,
in.
let's take a look. In case somebody else wants to do that.
Yeah.
Oh, I always bang into stuff.
It happens, right? I always bang my head on that.
Yeah, I'll watch. I'll probably do that.
But this is the other home. All the storage up top, that's where all these baskets go when we're parked.
Right.
We're parking everything packing everything to move.
He suggested
We've got all kinds of storage.
Jurisdiction.
We got, on this one we only got 125 watts of solar. But this is Harbor Freight solar. And that's Renogy solar, and we're kind of liking this better than that. Even though you get bigger panels than the Harbor Freight stuff, but shutter wall, everything in here other than these 2 shelves, the toilet, Everything is upcycled. Recycled old furniture and stuff.
I like
These
the
are
shower with the tub, with the,
We had the original toilet in here, but when we went to her mom's to test everything out, the valve in the back broke.
of course.
Couldn't find the valve for it, so we had to get a new one, but we painted it to match everything else. So.
Right.
But, you know.
Very nice. I like having you got that room.
Yeah, it's better than having a queen size bed out here because it takes up too much room.
Right.
And, you know, this is perfect. We got all the storage under there, all the storage under here, and the freshwater tanks under this bed. Hot water heaters up under here. The pump's under the bed too. We got propane stove.
It's sort of nice also is end up you got backups if some system goes wrong over there, you got it over here. And
yep. It's like a lot of times she'll do cooking over there, and then I'll come over here and, you know.
I like the faucet. That's cool. It's different.
That's different. We like it. I got the sink and the propane stove out of a Coleman camper, little pop-up camper.
Sure.
They were trashing it, so we got
Now,
these out of
if
it.
somebody wanted to get a hold of you, had questions or anything, do you have any social media presence at all, or?
She's got Instagram and Facebook. It's buzzing across the USA.
Okay.
And, you know, in between each word, it's got a line underneath.
Right. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.